Hi friends, it's the happiest moment that our cabinet has approved the new education policy 2020. So as per the new education policy, the first 5 years are fundamental years that will start from nursery to second standard. So you can admit your child to nursery at the age of 4, junior KG at the age of 5, senior KG at the age of 6, first standard at the age of 7 and second standard at the age of 8. So these 5 years are fundamental. Next, after second standard, so there will be 3 years preparatory. So that will start from the third standard at the age of 9, fourth standard at the age of 10, fifth standard at the age of 11. So these 3 are preparatory. Next, after fifth standard, so from 6th standard to 8th standard, these are the middle. So you can admit your child to the 6th standard at the age of 12, 7th standard at the age of 13, 8th standard at the age of 14. So these 6th, 7th, 8th are middle. Next, the 4 years are secondary. So that will start from 9th standard, the 9th standard at the age of 15, SSC, it is equivalent to 10th. So that is at the age of 16. So first year job courses 17 at the age of 17. SYJC means second year job courses at the age of 18. So these are the 4 years are secondary years. Secondary. The examination will be done in the semester from 9 to 12 classes. Schooling will be taught under the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So as I explained in the previous slides, the first 5 are fundamental, later 3 are preparatory, next 3 are middle and next 4 are secondary courses. So if you want to briefly highlight the things what about the important highlights of new education policy. The first highlights is the 10+2 board structure is dropped. So in the previous education policy, whatever we were having now, so that is what 10+2. So +2 means first year and second year. So those board structure is already dropped as per the new education policy. The new school structure will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 as I explained in the previous slides. Up to 5 free school, up from 6 to 8th it's a mid school, from 8 to 11 it's a high school, and 12 onwards it's a graduation course. And one thing you should understand that any degree will be 4 years. 6th standard onwards vocational courses are available. You can choose the vocational courses after 6th standard onwards. From 8 to 11 students can choose subjects. So you can choose any subjects whatever you used to study. So that subject you can choose from 8 to 11 standards. As per the 7th point, all graduation course will have a major and minor subjects. So all graduation course means you can take any degree, any graduation courses. So one will be the major course and one will be the minor course or minor subjects. For example, if the students is a science, if the science students can have a physics as a major subjects and music as a minor subjects, means any combination you can choose. So you can, as a engineering students, you can take any subjects from the arts courses. As a arts students, you can choose any mathematics subject from the BSc. You can select any subject, one as a major and one is a minor subject. So any combination you can choose. All higher education will be governed by only one authority. So whatever our education system is there, so entire education system should be controlled by only one authority, and UGC AICTE will be merged. All university, government, private, open, deemed, vocational, etc. will have the same grading and other rules. So all university, government, it may be government, it may be private, it may be open, it may be deemed, it may be vocational, all educational university should have the same grading system and other rules. New teacher training board will be set up for all kinds of teachers in country, no state can change. So new teacher training board will be set up for all kinds of teachers. If the teachers teaches for the high school, for the graduation course, for the middle school, for the preschool, so every teacher should have the same kind of training. New teacher training board will be set for all kinds of teachers, and that should not change from state to state. It will be same throughout the country. Same level of accreditation to any college based on its rating. College will get autonomous rights and points. So this is concerned to the accreditation point. The new basic learning program will be created by the government for parents to teach children up to 3 years in home and free school from 3 to 6 years. So this is very very important. So whenever, because as I told in the previous slides, we can admit our child to the nursery course at the age of 4 years. So that's why, so within 4 years the parents can teach their individual children at home and for free school from 3 to 6. So for such parents, if you want to teach their children, so the new basic learning program will be initiated or will be created by our government. Multiple entry and exit from any course. So the students can take any n number of courses or multiple courses at simultaneously, and he can take exit or he can take break from any courses whenever he wish to. That is what multiple entry and exit from any course. The credit system for graduation, for each year student will get some credits which he can utilize if he takes break in the course and come back again to complete the courses. So the credit system for graduation, there will be a credit system for graduation. So graduation will be of 4 years. If the students exit from any courses whenever he wish to, or he wish to take the break from any courses, so the credits earned till then, that will be get accounted, that counted, and again he come back again to complete the courses, again that will be, the credits will be taken his account. All schools exams will be semester wise twice a year. So this is already known thing. The semester wise, the semester exams will be conducted twice a year. The syllabus will be reduced to the core knowledge of any subject only. So this point is very very important. So whatever the syllabus we had so far, so that is not up to the mark, that is not relevant to the industry point of view, that is not related to the core knowledge of that particular subject. So this time, as per the new policy, the syllabus will be related to the core knowledge of that particular subject only. The more focus on student practical and application knowledge. So this is also very very important. So the policy has focused, it is more on the student practical knowledge and application knowledge. In the previous syllabus, the syllabus is not related to the practical point. We can't apply that whatever the knowledge we earned in that particular subject to the outside society. So that couldn't happen with the previous syllabus. But in this particular syllabus, the student can apply his knowledge and we can think practically with the help of this particular subjects. For any graduation course, if the student complete only 1 year, he will get a basic certificate. If he complete 2 years, then he will get a diploma certificate, and if he complete full course, then he will get a degree certificate. So no year of any student will be wasted. He will break the course in between. So this is also very very important. So as I told in the previous slide, so graduation will be of 4 years. If the student is not able to complete the courses, or he break that particular courses in 1 year, even though he will get as a basic certificate. If he complete 2 years, then he will get a diploma certificate. Suppose he complete all the 4 years courses, then he will get a degree certificate. Means with the help of new education policy, the student can't waste his even single year also. No year of any student will be wasted, even though he break or he incomplete that particular course in between. All the graduation course feed of all university will be governed by single authority, as I told, we capping on each course. So now we can hope our education system will be at par with modern countries and future of our children will be bright. With help of new education policy, we can expect some improvement in our society, and we can expect the future of our children will be bright. So thank you very much. So this is a great initiation taken by our government to improve our new education, to improve our education policy. With the help of this policy, we can expect good change in the education, or good change in the future of our students. So please share and subscribe my YouTube channel as much as possible. Thank you very much.